Hi friends, welcome back. Today we're talking about writing the equation of a circle when you are given the center and the radius. So this is good for geometry students. You'll definitely talk about this more in algebra 2 though. But in the meantime, here's what you got to do. Grab your notebook. I want to make sure you write this down. Okay, so here is the information that you will need to write in your notebook. X minus h squared plus quantity, parentheses, y minus k squared equals the radius squared. Now, the h is the x coordinate of your center and the k is the y coordinate of your center. When we do this, we always have to do the opposite of this, and let me show you why. For example, number 1, if we are given x minus 3 squared plus y minus 2 squared equals 9, and I want you to name the center and the radius. So the first thing we would do is look at the center. We do the opposite of this guy, so we're going to say positive 3 and positive 4. Then the next thing we want to do for our radius, remember it's whatever this is squared. So it's a good idea to, so our center is 3, 4. Our radius, take whatever this is and put a square root over it so that you remember, oh, I have to square root that in order to get my radius. All right, let's try this one. Write the equation of a circle with a center of -5, 3, and a radius of 5. Okay, so here's the equation format written out without this, without our x and our y in there, right? And so if I'm going to use a different color to do this, so you can see, we have our x is -5, so -5, and our y is 3. Our radius is 5. So now that I have that information in there, you can kind of see that, I should use a darker blue, sorry about that. So now that I have that information in there, what we can do is clean this up a bit. And so if I say, okay, x and a negative plus minusing a negative would be a positive. So x plus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared equals 25. So you can see how those signs changed. Remember, we wanted the center to be -5, 3, and now it's +5, -3. So that's key. You got to pay really close attention to that. All right, let's do one more so that you can see. On this guy, write the equation of a circle with the center of 7, -10, and a radius of 2 root 3. Okay, again, I'll use a darker blue this time. We have our x is 7, so we put a 7 here. -10, so -10. Sorry, I squished that in there. And then our radius is 2 root 3. Okay, so when we go to clean this up now, this first bit, totally fine. X minus 7 squared plus y plus 10 squared equals. Now, in this case, you want to be very careful. You want to take this squared and we're going to distribute it to both the 2 and the root 3. So we end up with 2 squared times root 3 squared. Well, 2 squared is 4. Why are you trying to focus, camera? Just stay focused. Not rocket science. Okay. And so then we have root 3, the square root of root 3, which is going to be 3. So 4 times 3 gives us 12. So the end part of our equation would be 12. Hopefully this helps, and we will see you next time.